then you can correct it and be profitable. Now, if you're not making any money right now, that's completely okay. I mean, trading is something which is extremely difficult, and you need to have some kind of strategy and skill sets to be profitable in it. And it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not that you make one big trade and then that's pretty much end of the day. It's process and it's a business. That's how you should treat it. One of the key reasons why when people don't make money is over trading. It is by far the most reason. Think about the times when you had one loss, you didn't analyze things properly, and you went back into the trade, or you went back into another stock that you want to trade, and then you made more losses. So when you trade, less is more. What you really want to do it is try to find prime opportunities for us to get in, and once we get in, we make the profit, and then we get out. Next is you're not managing the risk properly. What it simply means is that if you do not know your risk tolerance, which is how much risk you want to risk per trade, and if you get into a trade and after that you're doing the calculations, that's a big no-no. So you always want to understand how much dollars you want to risk before you get into a trade. Next is you want preserving your trading capital for good trades. This comes back again to over trading, which means that you want to be like a sniper. Well, you only have a limited number of bullets. Now you just have to go for the kill, but you want to make sure that you are making the right, taking the right stocks, the right entry with the right exits. You know what? Sometimes you might miss a few here and there, but as long as you are trying to narrow down the stocks you want to trade, then you should still be okay. Trading the news, the fourth. People try to, when there's an earnings, people want to find out whether there's going to be a good earnings or bad earnings report. It doesn't matter. I mean, if you're trying to trade the news, chances are you will lose because you're gambling. Uh, Things reports could be good, but you still lose money. Reports could be bad, and you still lose money. What you can do is trade after the news. Trade the reaction. Don't trade the action. Trade the reaction. Last but not the least, you're reading too many websites, following too many people on Twitter, StockTwits. No clue. You don't have set strategy about who to follow. So trying to narrow it down. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to buy pullbacks? Are you trying to buy breakouts? Are you trying to trade the after news? Uh, what kind of strategy? What kind of trader you are? What's the time frame? Right. So all of these reasons, if you're not able to understand, that's why you need a trading plan. If you need help with setting up a trading plan, feel free to reach out to me. Follow me on Twitter and StockTwits, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.